Assalamu alaikum class 1. I hope you're all well and enjoying the weather in a safe way. Today, for the next 2 weeks, I would like you to learn about the story of Ismail alayhi salam. So last week we learned the story of Ibrahim alayhi salam. So it only makes sense to cover the story of Ismail alayhi salam this week. So you need to watch the story, and after that I would like you to watch this video and you're going to learn about the 5 pillars of Islam. After that, as a challenge, is entirely optional, I would like you to make a fingerprint painting of a sheep, and you'll sort of understand why we're making a painting of a sheep after you watch the story of Ismail alayhi salam. Assalamu alaikum.
For the next 2 weeks, what we would like you to do is practice your short vowels. Now, most of you should have learned this, but if you've forgotten, we've attached the video which you can watch, and it's a sort of revision for you. After that, we want you to practice reading the words on this page. Do this as many times as you can. The more practice you get, the better you'll be. Then ask your parents to test you. You can also test your parents. You can do it however you want. If you need extra help, rewatch the video, ask your parents for help. And once you complete this, we want you to open your graded steps to reading book and then read page 20 for extra practice. For class 1 Arabic, what we'd like you to do is to continue with your Arabic handwriting. So this week I think we have 4 letters again. So you can probably realize the letters are getting a lot longer. Now, we're not going to tell you the letters that you have to do, because at this point you should be able to read the letters. So because the letters are a lot longer, you have to leave a bigger gap. I would use your finger to show a gap between each letter. That way, when you come back to revising it, or when you come back to looking at it, you can actually know which letters you're writing, because we can often get quite confused. So again, our tip would be do 2 letters per week, and that all together should take you 2 weeks. So this letter, we have dots above, which means that we don't want you to do thick dots. We don't want you to do very big dots the way you can see here. Okay, we want you to do very, very small dots, okay, because the dot shouldn't be bigger than the letter. Can you see here, if the dot was very, very thick and big, it would be bigger than the body of the letter. Okay, so we just want small dots, like full stops. And once you're done that, that's all for the week. And we really do like seeing your work, so please do continue to send it in. And that way we know that you've understood it and you're able to do it by yourself.